1, 2, 3, read for me. Story time has just begun. 1, 2, 3, read for me. Reading books is fun.
Hi kids, today we're reading Spot Bakes a Cake by Eric Hill. It's a lift the flap book. It's your dad's birthday on Friday, Spot, says Mum as she checks the calendar. Spot says, let's bake a cake. Dad likes cakes. We'll have to go shopping. Mum starts making a shopping list and Spot is helping her by checking what they have in the cupboard. Look behind this cupboard. Spot finds a little mouse who says, I need some cheese. Will they add that to the shopping list? Now they're at the shops. Mum says, can you find a bar of chocolate, Spot? Look, Mum's got the trolley here, filling it up and checking her list. And where's Spot? I see a little tail behind here. And this says there's a special today on chocolate. Let's have a look. There's Spot with lots of chocolate. Spot says, Dad loves chocolate cake. I don't know that we need that much chocolate, Spot. Now they're home and Mum says we can make the cake. Here's all the ingredients on the table. And I see a little chef's hat poking out here. Who's behind here? It's Spot and the little mouse. They've already started making the cake. They're cracking all the eggs. Make sure to get the eggs in the bowl, Spot. Mum says, Spot, that's enough. Look, there's quite a mess happening here. I see lots of chocolate. And Spot's going, whee! What is Spot doing behind here? Mixing the chocolate cake. With a little bit of help from Mouse. We need to keep the cake in the bowl, Spot. Now the cake is in the oven. Mum says, help me clean up, Spot. Here, Mum's cleaning. Are you helping, Spot? What are you doing behind these bowls? Oh, Spot says he's helping, but look, he's licking the spoon, eating the chocolate batter. Spot says, can I decorate the cake yet, Mum? While he's still eating the chocolate, licking the leftovers in the bowl. Now Mum's checking the oven. She opens the door. There's the cake. It's risen high and steaming. It's ready now. Mum says, go easy on the icing, Spot. Spot's been reading about how to decorate a cake. Look, there's the mouse stealing the little chocolates that they're going to put on the cake. How are you going, Spot? Wow, you're doing a great job decorating that cake. And Spot says this is the best part of cooking, the decorating. Mum says, this will be a nice surprise for your dad, Spot. And now Spot is making Dad a special card. It says, happy birthday, Dad. It's a lovely handmade card. Dad will really like that. Spot can't wait for Dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. And Mum says, happy birthday, Sam. Spot's dad's name is Sam. Look, there's presents on the table and all the lovely cards and lovely balloons. Red, yellow, green, blue balloons. And what could be behind the balloon? Ah, it's Spot with the lovely cake. The special cake that they made for Dad. Did you make the cake, Spot? Asked Dad. It's lovely. Thanks, Dad. Mum helped a bit, says Spot. Look, Dad's got a lovely big bit of cake and the cards, and they're celebrating such a happy birthday. Good work, Spot.